Answer of first question is this 1 meter per second square, and we got this way by the formula of acceleration v minus u upon t, and v and u both we have converted to meter per second. Okay. Okay. Yes, Laksh, you can mute yourself. Yes, Manav, unmute. Tell me the answer of question number second.
Ma'am, it is 16 meter.
What is?
Ma'am, 16 meter per second.
Okay, 1 minute. Yes, what about others? Laksh and Yashvi, what is?
Yes, ma'am, it's 16 meters per second.
16 meter per second. And yes, Laksh, what you are getting?
28 meter per second.
Yes, I think 28 meter per second is correct. Let me solve and check. Okay. So let us do. Bus is moving along a straight line at 20 meter per second, undergoes an acceleration of 4 meter per second square. Okay. So what all things are given? Manav, you tell me.
Initial velocity is 0 and final velocity.
Yashvi and Laksh, you keep yourself muted. Manav, yes, you are doing. I am asking you. Tell me what all things are given here. Manav. Unmute. First of all, unmute.
Initial velocity, final velocity, and time.
So initial velocity is what?
So, ma'am, acceleration.
Okay. What is initial velocity? What is acceleration? And what is time? Now tell me.
Ma'am, ma'am, U is 20, acceleration is 4, and time is 2 seconds.
Okay. Time is 2 seconds. And which formula will use?
Ma'am, ma'am, first,
What is the first equation?
V is equals to U plus 80.
Okay. So U is 20, A is 4 and T is 2. So 20 plus 8, that is 28 meter per second. Then how you are getting C option?
Ma'am,
कैसे आ रहा है फिर 16?
ma'am, I was thinking that it is in the form of retardation.
Okay. ठीक है, क्लियर है ये क्वेश्चन?
Yes, ma'am.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes. Manav, you mute yourself. Yes, Yashvi.
Ma'am, acceleration to 4 meter per second square दिया हुआ है, तो आंसर में
ये आ रहा है ना 4 मीटर पर सेकेंड दे रखा है.
ओके मैम.
ठीक है ना? तो v इक्वल्स टू हमको ये फिगर आउट करना है क्या दे रखा है और क्या फाइंड करना है. ओके. क्वेश्चन 3. नाउ यशवी विल आंसर. द स्लोप ऑफ स्पीड टाइम ग्राफ गिव्स व्हाट?
मैम, acceleration.
Acceleration. Okay.
Ma'am, it is right.
Yes, it is correct. Okay. Now I am writing some more problems. You should be actually master in doing these problems, because nowadays exams are in form of MCQs only. All these periodic tests are in form of MCQ. So please practice as many MCQs you can of these chapters for your periodic test. Okay. Now. So, next one, question 1. All of you can turn on your videos if possible.
Ma'am, we can start doing.
Yes, you can start doing. Question 1. Bus is running at a speed of 18 kilometers per hour. So, initial velocity is equal to 18 kilometers per hour and is stopped in 2.5 seconds. So, time is 2.5 seconds. Final velocity is 0 because it is stopped. Calculate the retardation. Retardation we have to find. Okay. When it is asked calculate the retardation, we don't have to write the minus sign in final answer. Okay. Because they are already referring it as retardation. Now, when we'll convert 18 kilometer per hour to meter per second, we'll just multiply by 5 by 18. That is 5 meter per second.
Ma'am, 5 meter per second.
So, A equals to V minus 2 by T. That is equal to 0 minus 5 by 2.5. So, that is 2 meter. It is minus 2, but as it is retard, okay, we can write acceleration is 2 meter per second square. Or retardation, we can write retardation equals to 2 meter per second. Okay. Now question 2. Has anybody done question 2? Question 2. A train starting from rest. So starting from rest, so initial velocity is 0. Moves with the uniform acceleration of 0.2 meter per second square. So acceleration is 0.2 meter per second square for 5 minutes. Minutes will convert to seconds. Calculate the speed acquired. We have to find the final velocity and distance traveled, that is S. Okay. So question 2. U equals to 0. Acceleration is 0.2 meter per second square. Time is 5 minutes. That is equal to 5 into 60 seconds. That is 300 seconds. Okay. Then calculate the speed acquired and distance traveled. Okay. V equals to U plus 80. V is 0, A is 0.2 and time is 300. So it will be, then it will be 0, so it has no meaning. Okay. 10 and 10 cancel, it is 60 meter per second. Next we have to find distance. S equals to UT plus half AT square. If you are confused which equation to use, I have already mentioned the method. You can use that method and find that which equation to use. Okay. U is 0, so this term is 0. Half A is 0.2 and T square is 300 into 300. Okay. Then we'll remove this way. So 3 3 are 9, 9,000 meter or 9 kilometer is the answer. Okay. Now question 3. Okay. Question 3 is the tip of second hand takes 60 seconds to move the circular track of the clock. If the radius of dial of the clock is 10.5 centimeter, calculate the speed of the tip of second. Who can tell me which formula I'll use? Which formula should I use? Anybody? How is motion of a tip of second hand?
Ma'am, second one.
2 pi r upon T.
Right. It is uniform circular motion and speed is given by 2 pi r upon T. This we have seen in last class. In case of uniform circular motion, if we have to find the speed, we use this formula 2 pi r into T. Okay. R is given, pi is given 22/7. R is given 10.5 centimeter and time is given 60 seconds. Okay. So what will be the unit as 10.5 is in centimeter? Unit of this will be centimeter per second. Okay. Then you can solve this. So you'll get the answer. So solve it and tell me what is the answer. Okay, both of them. We can write 0.011 meter per second or 1.1 centimeter per second. Okay. If any doubt is there, you can ask. Okay. Yes.
Ma'am, we have to submit the homework only.
Yes. Homework and classwork both.
Ma'am, of previous one also.
No, only today's. Only today's. Okay. So,
Yes.
okay. Okay. So this you can copy and this is the homework plus 1 or 2 questions of NCERT book will also be homework. This screenshot of this I will be sharing on group. This meeting is going to